You think your savings account is safe? It's actually losing money every single day.
Inflation quietly eats your purchasing power while your cash just sits there.
Meanwhile, smart investors buy assets that grow and pay them back. Your bank balance stays the same, but prices never do. $10,000 today buys far less than it did 10 years ago. Cash feels stable, but stable numbers don't mean stable value. Wealth is built by owning assets, not stacking paper money. Asset number 1. Broad market index funds. Historically, the market grows around 8 to 10% long term. You don't pick stocks. You buy the entire market. Consistency and time do the heavy lifting. Asset number 2. Real estate. Rental income puts money in your pocket monthly. Property values rise while your loan balance drops. Over time, equity builds wealth quietly. Asset number 3. Cash flowing businesses. A business pays you while you sleep. Unlike savings, businesses can scale. And you control the income machine. 2% growth barely moves. %8 changes your entire future. Time multiplies money for owners. Keep emergency cash. Always. But invest the rest wisely. Stop thinking like a saver. Start thinking like an owner. These 3 assets build real wealth. Like this video if it changed your mindset.
Subscribe for more strategies to grow your money.